Okay, this is the exterior of the lower rear panel. Like right here is the tail lights. Okay, just for a point of reference. Now, this I've been able to clean all the old decayed wood out. In fact, it just came out in shreds. So here you can see the rubber beading that you see on the inside. Right here, that is the inside panel. Okay, so you can see there's the styrofoam. There's the paneling on the inside, this paneling here, and then the fiberglass goes on the outside. Okay, so you can see this is the bottom of the secondary piece. Okay, and it's actually not in bad condition, so I have something to attach to. Okay, now what I did was I went and got a length of primed pine just from Home Depot. It's like $3 for this. Okay, so there's this repair piece. Okay, that's exactly how it goes in. Okay, and that will allow this back panel to tighten up. Okay.